I don't need a haircut, eh? Yeah. It's all over the place. Instant turnaround.
Feeling the vibrations?
It must feel good.
Helps him acknowledge the sound recorded in his brain. Giddy up. Don't bite my fingers, okay?
He keeps getting close. He's like, oh, I want to get that finger. I want to get that finger.
I don't want to try. I don't want you to bite me. You want pat? Oh, Choco bird. Yeah, Choco bird. So gentle. Ooh, almost. You almost got me.
Close, but no cigar.
No, you're so cute. Look at you. You're so cute. You're adorable. That's what I wanted. Looks like you got your head on a plate.
I'm resting it on like a pillow or the ledge.
Come on out. Come on out.
Oh, it actually comes out sometimes?
Yeah. Sometimes.